What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Fortnite in 1080 by 1080. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly play on that specific resolution? Well, playing in that specific resolution, you can actually do this via your GPU. But just to give you some warning here, if you do this yourself, 1080 by 1080, this will affect your whole computer or your PC or laptop. So you should see general change in the overall look of your PC. But then again, it's still possible. So what we need to do is you want to open up AMD Adrenaline. So in this case, if you're using AMD, you could use AMD Adrenaline here, but you have a different GPU. Well, in this case, going to be kind of different. So the steps may be different in here. So you may want to check with your manufacturer, or if you have any manual for it, you could go ahead and check that. But for AMD, this is the way to go. And what we need to do is you want to open up AMD Adrenaline. Now from here, you want to go to gaming, and you want to go to display, and at the right side here you have custom color and also custom resolutions, but you want to go ahead and click on custom resolutions, and you should see a EULA. So you just need to click on I accept here to see the next UI, which in this case you now have the option to indicate what resolution you want to use. So in this case, just type in 1080 by 1080 and also add your refresh rate here so you can match the refresh rate on your monitor. But once you have that, you go and click on create at the very bottom section of your screen to create your profile here. But once you've created that, you should now have a custom resolution. So preferably going to be 1080 by 1080. But once you've entered that, you could start playing Fortnite. Go ahead and open it up and it will automatically match that. But if not, you may want to change a few settings on Fortnite still to get that 1080 by 1080 resolution. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.